Beijing.
UMLA Kamausen Ram uba Olan Singh Sun ula kentu yakinong Shnong banyai long kiba husiar hasil lenter ka kaput India bat Bangladesh Hapdeng ka Jingnang jur ka jingyaken at Hapdeng ka ri India bat Pakistan haba jing kren chikilat pathai khubor uba Sun ula pentikna baka constituency jong u kadang yai long ka basngan nakadaw jong ka Jingdon ki jingker signer uba Sun ula penpaw ya ka jing sngaw khia Halor ka jing khang no jong ki yo kaput kablak ta jur ya ka yo ka kot jong ki tu ki basania haka khayi Pateng sa silyang kaput. Ulaban jur Halor Jingdonkam ban Iatrei lang Hapdeng ki Shnong ki Thaw ban penne ya kasukasan ha kaneka time.
So there is a tension between India and Bangladesh, now tension with Pakistan. This border has come to a standstill. There is no transaction, business stop, income generation activities stop. So it is a major concern because most of our people in border, they have the income from the border transaction. So we have to be careful, we have to be vigilant on our border territory. And I don't know what about the opening of the border hut, we cannot say. And the government is also, our government is also taking serious on this matter, and we are hopeful that the dialogue and negotiation between the central and our state may take place any time.